Hey everyone, how are you guys doing over this period of worldwide lockdown? On my side here in goldfries lab, I'm okay, but it's just a little bit frustrating over the past few days. Well, and that led me to the topic of today, things that you don't want breaking down during this lockdown period. Now, I don't know how is it like over in your country, but over my place, let me start by this quick rant. I was benchmarking the processor I just bought, which is the Ryzen 530 500X, and I really want to publish my review of it. But the submarine cables around this region went down and I had problems loading to services like Uplay, like Epic Games and such. So even if I manage to get on the launcher, the game won't launch due to those things. We'll talk about that in some other video. So that was that yesterday, and today my internet connection went down. When I checked the modem, it was not lit. So this comes to the first thing that I feel that I don't want breakdown during this period. And never dawned upon me until today. Yes, it's the internet connection, modem specifically, because the modem is, well, it's not too pricey, but then getting a replacement modem right now, it can be quite difficult simply because shops are closed, delivery, and there's restrictions. The modem we have is contracted by the ISP. They are supposed to replace if it's broken. At least that's what I understood. But when I called the service today, which is my ISP is TM's Unifi, when I contacted the customer service, they told me that I have two options. The first one is to wait till we call it MCO here. Our lockdown over here in Malaysia is MCO. Sorry that I haven't highlighted earlier. So option number one, wait until the MCO, which is the lockdown period, to be over, which is like 2 weeks from now. But even that, we have no guarantee that the 2 weeks from now it will be over, because if there's an announcement that it's going to be extended another 2 weeks, so it will be until the mid of May, which is like 1 month, which is no go for me because I won't be able to survive without the unlimited quota connection, because I do have my cellular data plan. Celcom has limited quota. On my DG line, it has more quota, but it still wouldn't be sufficient, and the connection is not fast over at my residence. The reason they have to wait for the MCO to end is because typically their service is that they need to get someone, obviously their staff, to deliver the device over to me and configure it, with the assumption that which is to assume that everyone is tech illiterate, which is understandable. They need to have someone enter your house to configure for you because you said the modem is broken. Even though I know how to fix it myself, well, unfortunately, Unifi is at the stand that you have to wait until MCO. We are not sending anyone over. And option number two is I can buy a modem from someone else, like say on Lazada, Shopee, or Carousel, wherever, whoever it is, as long as it works. Yes, but even so, that is a problem because I need to fork out money and I have to wait, and I have issue with delivery because I ordered some print materials, PLA, for my 3D printer. It's about a week now and it hasn't arrived yet. It took many days before the seller shipped out, and even basically I already had 2 shipment delays over this period. So if I were to even place order today, I have no guarantee that I'll be getting it within the next 3 days or so, and I couldn't be waiting that long. Perhaps I can wait over the weekend, but Monday is probably the latest because there's a lot of work to be settled on my side. And guess what? I managed to get it resolved because I posted help on Facebook, and a friend of mine saw it, and my friend is staying quite near me, about 7 minutes drive away. I got the modem, I got the adapter, and I came home with it, tested out, and it seems that my modem is all right. It's just the adapter that somehow spoiled. So yeah, that's point number one. Internet connectivity, it's extremely crucial, not just for entertainment, but mainly for me it's productivity purpose, because I am still publishing videos. I still need to reference materials. I refer to many sites and content, and I also have clients that I'm servicing, so this is crucial. The next thing that I really hope to not spoil during this period will be the aircon. My aircon is over at that side. In this period, you can order air conditioning units, but no one's going to install it for you. No one's going to fix it for you. So that is the thing that I really do hope not spoil. I can live without aircon, the air conditioning unit. I'm pretty much used to the hot weather, the fan. I really can go through it quite well. But with the aircon, it does make it more comfortable for me to be in the lab here. Like when I'm presenting, at least you don't have a whirring fan on top and I'm not sweating profusely. It also helps with the benchmark because I get to maintain benchmarking sessions, so I can maintain the temperature for the test results. It's not the strongest of air conditioning. I have a big space here, but it gets the temperature around 29, 30. So yeah, that's another one of the things that I do not wish to see break down. And the third item that I do not want to really hope to not have breakdown is my recording gear. Whether it's image recording, meaning photography, or video recording, all these things should not break down. Really should not break down, because no photos, no videos, no content, no nothing. That pretty much screws up all my work. And no shops are open. I can probably order online, but it will take time to reach me, and with delivery restrictions, look, even my Ryzen 5 3500X that was supposed to arrive on Friday did not arrive, and on Monday I had to go over to the collection point to collect it. If not, it's probably going to be delayed further. So yeah, these are the three things that I do not wish to have breakdown. Notable mentions would be everything else in my kitchen, from my fridge, steamer, kettle, to my stove, which is nothing is to be broken down. Well, I can tolerate one or two, but it's going to be affecting how I feed myself. Yes, I do my own cooking as such. And as for computer parts breakdown, it's not a problem. As you can see, well, smartphone breakdowns, not a problem as well. These are pretty much the things that I have a lot in goldfries lab. So that's pretty much it. But how about you? Do you have anything broken down during this period? Or better yet, list down the things that you hope to not have breakdown during this period. I'd love to hear it in the comment section. And how is it over your side of the world? Like say, I don't know how's the lockdown situation across the globe. Over here in Malaysia, it's I would say it's quite lax. Basically, we are not in a total lockdown. We are allowed to exit our homes, but restricted to one person per vehicle. I'm allowed to go around, buy groceries and whatever I need, as long as I have a good reason. I shouldn't be jogging around, but that's pretty much it over here in Malaysia. Restaurants are still open, but just that they can't have any people dining there. Many of them are actually serving takeaways, and delivery services are all over the place for this F&B industry. And speaking of delivery is still on as usual, though some service providers may not send or deliver to certain regions due to their what they call the red zone, where there's more cases of COVID-19 going around. But that's pretty much it. We are not too bad of a lockdown. So All right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Yeah, pretty much I'm supposed to publish the Ryzen 5 3500X review today, but having that internet connection issue that cost me quite a few hours sourcing for the product, and since I've exited the house, I went for grocery. By the time I came back, it's not in the mood to create all the charts and graphs and whatever else. But yeah, so that's how this video came in place. So all right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and of course, being this season of infection, stay at home, stay safe, and have a good time. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.